Modern life can be hectic, and in the rush of work, family, and endless commitments, it's easy to reach for quick fixes. Coffee to power through fatigue and takeaway meals when you're short on time. But while these habits might feel convenient in the moment, they can often leave you feeling more drained, less healthy, and spending more money than you'd like. Two small but powerful shifts, reducing your caffeine intake and making your own lunch, can transform your daily energy, health, and sense of control. These changes don't require extreme diets or rigid routines. Instead, they encourage mindful, sustainable adjustments that set you up for long-term well-being. For many of us, caffeine is a lifeline. Whether it's a steaming mug of coffee first thing in the morning, a tea break mid-afternoon, or an energy drink before a workout, caffeine often feels essential. But while it provides a short burst of alertness, the long-term effects can leave your body overstimulated, your energy unstable, and your sleep disrupted. By reducing caffeine, you'll allow your body to regulate energy more naturally, leaving you with steadier focus throughout the day. Cutting back helps your body settle into its natural sleep rhythm. Better sleep means better mood, sharper thinking, and more energy. Many people notice that when they reduce caffeine, they feel calmer and more grounded in stressful situations. Don't go cold turkey. Instead, reduce your intake gradually. Swap your second coffee for herbal tea, try half-calf, or replace energy drinks with sparkling water. Find alternatives you enjoy. Herbal teas, chicory coffee, golden milk, or simply water with lemon can provide refreshing alternatives without the caffeine spike. For many, lunch is the most neglected meal, grabbed on the go, rushed, or skipped entirely. But preparing your own lunch can be a powerful way to take charge of your health, finances, and daily well-being. When you make your own lunch, you decide exactly what goes into it. That means less processed food, more whole ingredients, and better portion sizes tailored to your body's needs. Even a modest 5-pound meal each weekday is 25 pounds a week, or 1,300 pounds a year. Preparing your own lunch can cut that cost by more than half. When you prepare your own lunch, you're less likely to skip meals or rely on quick-fix snacks. This keeps your blood sugar stable and helps you stay focused at work. Spend an hour on Sunday preparing big batch items like roasted vegetables, grilled chicken, or grain salads. Portion them into containers for the week ahead. Keep it simple. A sandwich with whole grain bread, hummus, and fresh vegetables can be just as nourishing as a hot meal. What happens when you cut back on caffeine and start making your own lunch? You build a lifestyle rooted in balance, mindfulness, and self-care. Less reliance on caffeine plus steady, nourishing meals equals consistent energy throughout the day. Here's a simple challenge to try. Day 1 to 2. Replace 1 coffee with herbal tea. Day 3 to 4. Prep a simple lunch the night before. Day 5. Review how you feel. Small steps matter. The goal is not perfection, but progress. By embracing these changes, you'll discover that your energy is more reliable, your meals are more satisfying, and your days flow more smoothly. Most importantly, you'll feel empowered to make choices that truly support your well-being. 1 cup and 1 lunchbox at a time.